The second feature we installed was a VPN option, and it did remind us to set up the DHCP relay, and what we can do there is bring up the properties of it and put in the address of the server that will hand out IP addresses, which is a machine itself. And any requests that come in via the VPN will be relayed to our DHCP server. Remember, DHCP broadcasts can't pass beyond a router, and this machine is acting as a router. Before we set up VPN, we have to authorize some of the users. So we can close this one down for the moment and open Active Directory users and computers. Find the user you want to have access to the VPN. We'll take Thomas. And on the Dial-In tab, you allow access, network access permission. That allows him to access the network. We now need to head across to a client PC once more to set the VPN up at that end. So we're on his client machine. We'll head across to the network and sharing center, and we'll set up a new connection or network. It says connect to a workplace, VPN, and you use your current internet connection. The internet address is the name or the IP address of the machine, so I'll use its name, and we can call it work VPN. If you're the only user on the machine, it's quite safe to use Remember My Credentials, but if you're sharing a machine, I wouldn't advise it. So that creates the VPN. It will attempt to connect, and it's done it. Across there. I'm going to change it up to settings, and there's the work VPN. We can connect to it. And it asks us for a username and password. Verifies my sign-in information and connects me. The user is now connected to his work. Any external traffic will now be passing through his work server and be restricted if there's any in place. When the person's finished, they can simply disconnect, and that would disconnect them from the VPN. Ready for the next time.